Are you guys into here planning an escape? I heard a lot of ruckus going on. That's what I thought. Well, what seems to be the problem? What seems to be the problem over here, you little silly babies? Hello. Are you guys planning to try to bust out? Are you planning to bust out? Oh, yeah. Who's being the sassy one? Oh, my goodness. You guys are getting kind of bossy. Oh, you're getting kind of bossy and impatient and demanding. Oh, yeah. Oh, where do you think you're going? Oh, I know somebody's going to be so proud of you. Yes, your new mommy's going to be proud of you. Yeah, that's a little Chase. Oh, who's giving me the attitude? I heard some attitude. I just don't know which one. It's hard to tell. I think it's him. But I'm not sure. You guys trying to get the mom? Is that what's going on? Hey there, pretty baby. Hey there, pretty baby. Well, it looks like you guys are having some fun. Yeah, we're all about the fun, huh? Yeah. Uh-oh, boy. You are getting close. Where do you think you're going? Huh? Where are you going? Well, I really don't want to put you guys in prison yet. No, I don't. I like you in the nice soft bed. Yeah. I think you guys need to kind of chill out for a little longer. That's what I think. That's what I think. You looking for your second mama? Oh, that's Izzy. She's not a mama. Not anymore. I cut the hair around their little heinies so that they don't start getting all matted up when they poop. Because poop, well, there's a perfect example. Gets kind of caught in their hair till mom rescues them. Ugh. That's one dedicated mom. Yes, it is. Cleaning up the baby's messes. Candy, you're such a good mommy. You're such a good mama.